I'm out for one last hike of the season, enjoying the fire, and I hope you enjoy the video. The lines between the four seasons are largely blurred in Alberta, and when it snows in summer, you can quickly forget what season you're in. Today is technically late spring, but there is still plenty of time for lots more snow. Trees are budding and tiny bits of green are poking up through the thin blanket of snow. All but the weather is cooperating. It's been snowing off and on all week, sometimes melting as it hits the ground. Today is my first free day, and I'm curious to check my trail cam one last time. On my previous visit, I moved and baited the camera, hoping to capture something different. Either way, it feels great to be out in the woods. Yeah, those deer I saw definitely just came from this way. Probably the same two that I always film in my trail cam. I just came down to one of my favorite areas to search for petrified wood, and within maybe 2 minutes found this nice piece. I do sell it. I'm also looking for rocks with pyrite or anything else interesting. I found another shallow area. These two pieces got lots of pyrite in it. Found another piece of petrified wood, but it's covered in these, I don't know what they are, but not too sure I want to touch this anymore. I just found another piece of petrified wood, and this one's covered in these gross things as well. I just finished my lunch. Now I'm enjoying some hot apple cider and spiced whiskey. I just came out to check on my trail cam one last time and to leave myself a couple tools for next season at my winter camp. This way I won't have to carry them as far. I can't stick around for too long today, but since we're sitting by the campfire, I thought I'd share another story with you guys. So if you want, stick around. This story is called The Laundromat and the Magazine. Normally to do our laundry, I wash our clothes in a large bucket outside and dry them on the line. Winter had arrived and it was now getting too cold, so on laundry day, I packed up all the dirty clothes and drove to the next town over to use the laundromat. This laundromat is run down and only a handful of the machines actually work. After getting the second load started, I remembered how boring it is to sit and wait while your clothes get washed. I ran next door to the gas station to grab a magazine to pass the time. After all the laundry was done, I threw the magazine in the laundry basket so I didn't forget it for next week. Of course, by the next week I'd completely forgotten about that magazine. I got the laundry baskets full of dirty clothes and drove to the laundromat. I grabbed an armful of clothes and stuffed them into the front-loading washing machine and locked the door. I put in 3 loonies, pushed start, and added detergent to the top of the washer. Remember, these machines cannot be opened once started because they are front-loading. I sat down on the flimsy plastic lawn chair they provided and watched the clothes spin around through the round glass door. I was almost entranced by the spinning of the clothes when I saw a magazine cover flash in front of the door. The memory of tossing a magazine in the basket the week before quickly returned. Nothing could be done but watch the magazine get smaller and smaller until the clothes were covered in a thick, pulpy mess. This particular load seemed to go on forever as the pulp penetrated every fiber of every shirt, sock, and undergarment. I was hoping the rinse and spin cycle would help, but it only made things worse. The ball of pulp and clothes oozed into the basket. I swear a stack of phone books were in there along with that magazine. Normally I hang dry the clothes at home in the basement to save a few bucks, but my wife would have killed me if she'd seen what I had done. I tossed a pulpy mess into the large dryer and popped in a handful of quarters. As I waited for the clothes to dry, I pictured someone scratching their heads as they emptied the lint trap trying to figure out what had happened.
Hey, thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
So you'll get a notification
As soon as a new video is uploaded.
And we hope to
Catch you guys on another video.